Since ages ago, aloe vera has been used in so many homes for the treatment of different health-related issues, including growing out beautiful and lovely long hair. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I use aloe vera and Vaseline. Yes, Vaseline as well as aloe vera has been aging since the years back, okay? So I'm going to show you how I use both aloe vera and Vaseline on my daughter's hair. So first, let's prepare our aloe vera. Okay, so the first thing that I did was to grab my aloe vera. Please make sure to soak your aloe vera for a few hours in water so that you remove the latex. The latex is responsible for itchiness. Next, I scooped out the aloe vera gel and then I post blended the gel. So I post blended it so that the juice that I'm going to have from the aloe vera is still going to look slimy, okay? Because if you blend this straightforward for long, it's going to turn plain water. Now the next important part is to sieve the aloe vera gel that you got. Please sieve the aloe vera gel. If you do not sieve it, you're going to get particles, and the particles are going to stuck on your hair, and when it does, it is not funny. Like, it's going to take edges. It seems to like the word edges. It's going to take forever to wash it off. Now look at the particles I'm talking about. So here is what the aloe vera gel that I have is looking like. Now I'm going to pour a little bit in my container, followed up with my detangling conditioner. This is the one that I have. If you have something else, you can also use it, okay? So I'm going to put just a little bit in the mixture to mix the aloe vera gel because I don't want it to be too thick. Depending on the consistency you are going with, you can either leave yours like this or you can make it a little bit thicker. If you need a thicker consistency, please use a thicker conditioner, because this form of conditioner is not going to give you the thick consistency you're looking for. Now here is my daughter's hair. I've already finished washing the hair. You can see the water glittering on the hair, and she went ahead and over dried the hair actually, but it is still damp. And so here I'm going to be applying the gel on my daughter's hair. One of the reasons why I love aloe vera on my baby's hair is the fact that her hair seems to love this product very, very well, this aloe vera gel. Like, when applying it on her hair just accepts it so very nicely. Plus, this aloe vera helps to moisturize and soften her hair so beautifully. Like, I'm telling you, if your hair is always very dry, I want you to try this treatment. And please try it with the Vaseline that I'm going to show you how I made towards the end of this video. I'm telling you, the story is not going to be the same. You're going to kiss bye-bye to your dry hair, and I'm not even joking. And so this is what I'm going to be doing for now, applying the aloe vera on her hair, making sure that it penetrates each and every strand of her hair. Work it in, detangle it, and may I add that a single hair did not fall out from this hair. A single hair did not fall out from this hair. You're going to see that at the end of deep conditioning the hair. So yeah, I used aloe vera in this video as a deep conditioner. You can use yours as a pre-poo treatment. You can use yours as a hairspray, like a leave-in treatment, right? But in this particular video, I am using aloe vera gel as a deep conditioning treatment. Hence the reason why I added conditioner, because I am going to wash it out. Okay, now once I am done detangling and make sure that all her strands are covered with the aloe vera gel, the aloe vera mixture, I'm going to then comb her hair, starting from the ends of her hair and working my way up. Notice how gentle I am. Okay, no, you do not, you're not going to notice because this video is fast paced, but please be gentle when you are combing your baby, when you are combing your natural hair. Okay, very, very important. So I'm going to keep applying the products on her hair, on all part of her hair, and when I am done, I'll be back. What's up, my beautiful people? Hey, it's your babe again. Please, I'm here to remind you to give this video a thumbs up if you've not thumbs up yet. Okay, thank you very much for the engagement and God bless you. And we are finally done. Now look at the comb. Look at her comb. When I say no single hair fell out from this, I was not even joking. It was only one strand that I picked out of the hair. So I'm going to cover her head and then follow up with the scalp. This is our normal routine. If I don't use scalp, I'll use our old pajamas. So I'm going to leave her hair like this to sit for 30 to 1 hour. All right, now while her hair is conditioning properly, while her hair is trapping in the heat, let's go ahead and prepare our Vaseline. I'm using a freshly bought Blue Seal, okay, because the one that we were using before is not Blue Seal and I wanted to use Blue Seal for the purpose of this video. Okay, so I scooped out half tablespoon of Blue Seal and now I'm going to add my neem oil. So I added my neem oil. If you've not seen the video of this neem oil, I will put it up here so that you go and check and see how I made it if you are interested in it. So I like my Vaseline to be liquidy. In fact, I like my grease to be light, like very light. That's how I like my pomade. That's how I like my grease, which is the reason why I used to add oil, a lot of oil, to make sure that it gives me that consistency that I'm looking for. Now look at the difference between this one, the one that I already mixed, and the one that I did not mix. Look at how thick the former one was. You know, it is funny how we use gel on our edges all day but then run away from grease. Like why most gels contain high amount of alcohol. So I'm going to now package my Vaseline and I love the color, but mind you, the smell is not pretty at all. Neem oil smells so bad. I don't know why it smells so bad. If not that it's very effective, honestly, I wouldn't be using neem oil. But anyway, we are not here for the smell. We are here for the benefits that we are going to get from each ingredient. Okay, so now that I finished packaging my Vaseline, let's go over to apply it on my baby's hair. And this is her hair after I washed off or rinsed off the conditioner. You don't need to use a conditioner anymore because the conditioner is already there. Even if you choose to use only the aloe vera, there is no need to use a conditioner again to rinse it off, okay, unless that is what you want to do. I'll go ahead and apply our leave-in conditioner, aka Mega Growth leave-in conditioner, and I apply just a little bit because her hair is still damp. Once her hair starts drying, I will increase the quantity of the leave-in conditioner that I apply. Okay, so after applying the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to go now and apply my pomade and I will massage it in properly. So guys, if your hair is constantly dry, you notice that you cannot retain length because your hair is always breaking. Hair that is dry will break eventually, right? So the best way to prevent breakage is to use this treatment that I'm showing you right now. This treatment will keep your hair moisturized for long. I'm not even joking with you. Like, I used this treatment on my daughter, on my second baby's hair, and I braided her hair and I left it for 1 week. I just took her hair down the day before yesterday to redo the hair and her hair was still shining. Like, I wish there was light for me to record it. Her hair was still shining, I'm telling you. But for this video, I was threading my daughter's hair so that I can trim it the next day, which is the next clip you are going to see is how her hair was looking after I loosened it. That was the next day. But for my second baby's hair, I left it for 1 week and I took it out, and her hair was looking very shiny and still super moisturized. Like, I didn't even apply anything else when I was doing it. Don't do like that. But yeah, I did not apply anything else. I just rubbed a little bit of pomade and leave-in conditioner here and there just so that it will bounce. But man, her hair was still super moisturized. So I'm not telling you a lie. What I'm telling you works, and I want you to go try it. If you're not able to retain length, try this step that I'm telling you. Now, if your hair is always dry, please try this treatment. Try it the way that I'm showing you in this video and come back to let me know your result. So after detangling her hair, this is how much hair we got from the combs. And oh boy, look at how shiny her hair is looking, although this is the next day, okay? And the leftover from our deep conditioner, I added water and I use it to take down my twist. Alright you all, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Ciao.